So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Government Exam Revision Series, we have here just this one question to answer on the topic Ethics and Accountability in Public Offices. So in short to state here at the end of this video, as we have just this one question to answer here, it says, the Code of Conduct Bureau was essentially established to A. Protect the rights of public servants, B. Ensure the independence of the public service, C. Enhance probity and accountability in public service, D. Reduce corruption in public life. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. That's to enhance probity and accountability in public service. So that is for this question, and this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we'll be sure to give you a response. So finally guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates on JAMB examinations. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you on the next one.